Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, teacher.
My name is Teacher D and I'm going to have your speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, but before that one, could you please introduce yourself? Let's start with you.
My name is Paul. I'm 20 old. Uh,
Where do you live, Paul?
I live in Dongha City.
Tell me about your family. How many people are there in your family?
5 people.
5 people. Okay, and how about you?
I'm Nico. I'm 9.
Hello, Nico. Where do you live?
I live in Yon.
Okay, and tell me about your family. How many people are there in your family?
There are 4 people.
Okay, thank you, Nico. Now let's start your speaking test. Look at the TV. There are two pictures that look the same, but there are things that are different. Nico will talk about picture 1. Paul will talk about picture 2. You ready?
Yes.
Okay, Nico, start
In
now.
picture 1, there are 2 clowns. But in picture 2, there are 3 clowns. In picture 1, the roof is brown. In picture 2, but in picture 2, the, the roof is red. In picture 1, the girl has got curly hair. But in picture 2, the girl got got straight. In picture 1, straight hair. In picture 1, the plant is on the balcony. But in picture 2, the plant is in the garden. In picture 1, the man is wearing a scarf. But in picture 2, the man isn't isn't wearing scarf.
Okay, good. Now let's continue. Now look at these pictures. These pictures tell a story. It's called Charlie Writes His Homework. What you're going to do is to take it in turns and tell me the story. Okay?
Yeah.
Now, Nico, start the story. Okay, now Teacher D will start the story. Now, look at picture 1. Charlie and Grandpa live near the sea, and Charlie has homework, but he has no idea on what to write. How about in picture 2? What happens next? Where are Charlie and Grandpa?
They are in the boat.
Okay, and what is Grandpa doing?
He is.
Is he pointing at something?
Yes.
Okay, and what happened next?
In picture 3, Grandpa and Charlie. Grandpa and Charlie.
Are they still in the boat?
Yes.
Okay, and what can they see? What can they see?
She can.
They can see a.
They can see a whale.
Okay, and what is Charlie doing?
Charlie. Chick.
Is Charlie taking a photo of a big whale?
Yes.
Okay, and
Finally, they went home. Charlie.
what is Charlie doing?
He
Is Charlie writing about his homework?
Yes.
What is he writing about?
He
Right.
writing
About
the whale.
and how does he feel now?
He feel happy.
Okay, very good. Now let's continue. For this part, I'll show you different pictures and tell me which is different and why. Now, Paul, which picture is different and tell me why?
Picture 1, 1, 2, 3.
Which is different and why? Picture 3 is
Picture 3 is
different
book.
because it's
Picture 1, 2, 1, 2, 4 is on.
Okay, now picture D will help. What is picture 3? It's a.
It's a book.
What can you do with books? What can you do with a book?
Book is reading.
Yeah, I can read.
I can read.
How about I can read?
I can read.
Okay, how about the fruit? What can you do with fruit?
Uh, I can eat.
Okay, you can eat. Good. Okay, Nico, which is different and why?
The picture 4 is different because picture 1, 2, and 3 they are playing sport.
Very good. Okay, how about these pictures, Paul? Which is different and why?
Is in picture
Picture
3
is different.
is different.
Why is it different? What is in picture 3? What animal is it?
Dolphin.
Okay, what can a dolphin do? Can a dolphin fly?
No.
What can it do? It can
swim.
It can swim. Very good. And how about the other animals? What animal is it?
Bird.
Bird,
Bat.
bat,
And
is it a fly?
yes.
Okay, what can they do?
They
They
can. They can.
Can they fly?
Yes.
Okay. How about this pictures, Nico? Which is different and why?
The picture 1 is
Picture 1.
Picture 1 is different because picture 2, 3, and 4 is
Where are they?
they are outside, but picture 1 they are inside.
Very good. Now let's talk about shopping. Okay. Nico, do you like to go shopping?
Yes.
Where do you go shopping?
I go shopping in the supermarket.
Who do you go shopping with?
It's my family.
What do you like to buy in the shopping center?
I like buy both toys.
You like to buy both toys?
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. And how about Paul? Do you like to go shopping?
Yes.
Where do you go shopping?
I go shopping
In the
in the family.
Where do you go shopping? Do you go shopping in the shopping center?
In shopping supermarket.
In the supermarket? Who do you go shopping with? I go shopping with
I go shopping with my family.
your family. And what things do you like buying? What things do you buy? Do you buy t-shirt? Do you buy food? Do you buy toys? What do you like buying?
I buy food.
You buy food.
Yes.
And do you like all the food that you bought? Or do you like to eat the food that you buy in the shopping center or supermarket?
Yes.
Okay, now that's the end of your speaking test. Thank you, Nico and Paul.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.